as requested nga rod karo ba? Here's something from Ed Sheeran para kadagiti In Love.
I found a love for me, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you all this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you loved the mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know I'll be alright this time, darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes, baby. I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I know deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight.
Ay ka talaga perfect pa nakita mo may isang tao kat may bagam nga medyo nakakaalangan, di ba? You look perfect tonight.
Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight. Pabati ulit. Pag-greet kami sa Kalamkam, Mariano, Galam, Valera, Cabogason, Santiago family from Villa Carmen. Request song, Utang.
Ako talaga kay
Thanks.
Ilocano Avila yan. Okay, later on, I'll ito Ilocano music after this piece. Here's something from
Kenny Rankin.
Kenny Rankin. Para sa mga lalaking hindi pa naglaladlad, hindi pa ipinapakita ang tunay na pagkatao.
Allah.
Huwag kayo matatakot. I've been so alone all my life. couldn't give my heart to anyone. Hiding myself was a man who needed to be held like everyone. The days move into years. I look for one between the tears. It never ever found me. Never ever found me. Yes, I deep seem to grasp its troubles. They surely broke all the time. So I hid inside till I almost died. Yes, I hid inside and I cried. Loving heart ain't a sensitive man hiding inside myself. Then you came out of nowhere. I could not believe my heart. Didn't know how to tell you. Didn't know where to start. When I hid inside, I almost died. Oh, I hid inside and I cried. Loving heart ain't a sensitive man. I know you'll understand. I love you. And of course, M sa Cercado Guraya, Patayin, have a blessed day. Karuba, wow, nagganar asunata kunana. And of course, Lynn Di Ventura is watching G Malaysia po. And of course, Martes Foronda, Dorigo Marquez, the Stuming kunana. And adding Sonia Castillo Santiago from Italy kunana. Wow, perfect man Kuya Balong. Thank you and God bless. Oh, it was sang earlier. Kani Eden Ramos Apalya. Perfect, thank you. And Devora Sertenola Batara. Grow old with you, Ilocano version man. Karuba Agyama na kunana. Okay, we'll be doing that. And of course, Dive from Mirna Mapili Kakanindi. Dati ko na Dive kunana. You know, iti version Dive kunana. Dive.
Pa-shout out man mga idol sa family ko. Dita Cadastral Villamagat San Mateo, Isabela. Idol, tayo pinagbasam tayo. Babalo style, salamat.
Isuda, pagpat ha? Nga anak ko, Dave Jr., si Dekin Taburidi ko, ha? Ni Rambo, miss ko idan, kastamat kin, ay ayatek launay, nga biyag ko, ha? Ni Jose Binoya, Marquez Jr., ha?
Sigurado nga ta, nga ayatan na pa rin.
Oo nga, alias Supremo, kin dagiti naganak ko, ha? Ni nanay ko iling, kim tatay ko. Ano to'y konting request ko, sikat batnang ko, ha? Mga idol, agbyag, isagot ko, ha? Thank you, ha?
Oh, ngarat as requested by our friend nga nagpupuwede Kirino Isabela.
Kini Ma'am Devora.
Yes, of course.
Kini Echo.
Yan.
Diyan mo na gani tatay na.
No, libre, iti karwas di jay Shine Tech. Libre siguro lipat tariman tilungan sa jay. Ayan da Ekel.
One. Kirino Isabela nagadayo mo.
Para kanya yung Pagpagakin ka na wag murmuryot ka, upan ka no di kantun makapag nadaytag ganda ko, ginggana at kabauta. Siyak mang patuman, urusok mo dumikar, tay pugon araw na paglapagin udwam daytag ganda ko, ginggana at kabauta. Ing-ingungutan ka, tungtungan ka, udasan ka, no tayag laming ka, ipatek ka, susubuan ka, no manarimaan at Facebook ka.
Siyak dun nagkalungkon, siyak tu pa'y aginaw, ipaedda ka, jay katrem no mabartek ka, dahil ganda ko, ginggana at kabauta.
Inginutan ka, tutungan ka, ulasan ka, no tayag laming ka, ipatek ka, susubuan ka, no manarimaan at Facebook ka.
Siyak dun nagkalungkon, siyak tu pa'y aginaw, ipaedda ka, jay katrem no mabartek ka, dahil ganda ko, ginggana at kabauta. Agad kadua tantulat ka, aking gana at kabauta.
As requested, here's something from another piece from Ed Sheeran, The Cutting Edge Sheeran.
Maybe I came on too strong, maybe I waited too long, maybe I played my cards wrong, oh, just a little bit wrong. Baby, I apologize for it. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and jumping in harder than 10,000 rocks on the lake. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you. You're a mystery. I've traveled the world. There's no other girl like you. No one. What's your history? Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? 'Cause I heard you do. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to give my all and lie awake every day. Don't know how much I can take. So don't call me baby unless you mean it. And don't tell me you need me
Makaungat.
if you don't believe it. So let me know the truth before I dive right into you.
Di naman yung awagan nga mahal wano biyag ko. No, han nga napod no. Kung na, don't call me baby.
I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. And I could live, I could die hanging on the words you say. And I've been known to to give my all, sitting back, looking at every mess that I make. So don't call me baby.